Problem 2. The proportion of the bottle is as shown. The radius of the bottom of the bottle is 5 centimeters. What is the total capacity of the bottle? First, what is the radius? Well, the radius would be halfway from the center of a circle to the edge. So that if this was the center of the circle, this would be the radius. But there are infinitely many radiuses in the circle because it could go this way, it could go this way, it could go all sorts of ways. So first let's mark that the bottle is 5 centimeters as its radius. This would be 5 centimeters. First we see that this bottle kind of looks like a beer bottle, I guess. If it's facing right side up, the liquid it's containing has a height of 15 centimeters. So 15 out of the total 30 centimeters. Now if we tip it over, mind you this part is a cap, then the water in the cap, or the liquid in the cap takes up 25 centimeters. And even though this may not be completely drawn to scale, we're going to use it anyway. So what is the total capacity of the bottle? Capacity is the amount of liquid it can contain. So kind of like the volume. Alright, so what we can do here is to first find, first let's identify the two shapes that we can easily solve. Well, I'm going to pick out this cylinder right here and this cylinder. Because if we try to find the area or volume of this part, it's going to be pretty hard to find because it's not a basic shape that we just reviewed in the lesson. So what I'm going to do is find the volume of each of these cylinders and then add them together. I'm going to call this one A and call this one B. So let's first find A. A would be the base, the radius of the base, which is 5, squared times pi times the height, 15. If we add that, we get 125 pi. For B, cylinder B, we take the radius, square it, which is also 5 squared, times pi, and then we times it by the height, which is 5. We take 25 centimeters away from 30, and that's 5. And that also, sorry, this is supposed to be 375. And this is 125 pi. After adding these together, we add them and we get A plus B is equal to 500 pi. So our final answer is 500 pi.